How to make NGL link on Instagram. This will work the same on Android as it does on iPhone. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, go to the App Store. Then type in NGL. Go ahead and download this app like I am now. Click download. Once it's downloaded, click open. Then you want to click on get questions. Once you've done that, it should pop up on the screen saying what's your Instagram handle. Go ahead and type that in. Mine's the how to cow. Follow it if you haven't already. Click done. Then you'll want to click don't allow or allow on this bit here. Then click copy link in the middle of the screen. Then it should say link copied. OK on that. Then click the big share button at the bottom where it says share link on your Instagram story. Then it will take you through the 4 steps you need to do. So first of all, how to add the link to your story. Click that button at the top of the page there. Then click on the link button. Then paste your link in. Then on the 4th step, you need to kind of frame the link like that. So click share on Instagram after you went through those 4 steps there. Click open. It should open the Instagram app if you've got it on your phone. Then click towards the top of the screen, like I said before, the little smiley face thing up there. Then click on link. Then you want to paste in your URL. Then click done at the top right hand corner. Then you should see that little link there, ngl.link. Go ahead and drag that down and place it over the top of that link there. Then you can click the arrow in the bottom right hand corner, which means it's done. Then once you've done that, it should pop up like this where you want to click on your story. Click share on your story part, then click done. Then that should be done for your story there. Click it in the top left hand corner if you want to see your story yourself. Then you can go ahead and click the ngl.link. Then it will bring you to that NGL app. They'll be able to ask you the anonymous question, etc. like that. Then basically all you want to do if you can see those questions is go back to the NGL app. You can click inbox at the top, and then you should see any messages you get there. So obviously you have to wait for them to come in. But leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.